This is Raksha Kavach is a chemical type self-generating oxygen cell rescuer. It is a self-contained apparatus. It is used in case of fire or in any enclosed environment it can be used. Its function is like this, that when we exhale, that air with CO2 goes inside this potassium superoxide bed, and with the moisture it absorbs and it generates oxygen. That oxygen comes in this bag, and from here it goes to the mouth. So the person gets oxygen without any carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide is absorbed in this bed. So that is why we call it a self-contained breathing apparatus, and it lasts from 30 minutes to 2 to 3 hours depending on the workload of the persons. If a person is working hard, then it will be the more moisture will come into the bed and more oxygen will be generated, and then the consumption period will be less. When a person is at rest, his requirement of oxygen is less, so it can last for more than 2 hours. And the advantages of Raksha Kavach is shown here, that it is very small in size, its weight is less, and the whole body is made of SS304, and the inhaled temperature while breathing, it is less than 45 degrees centigrade, and it can last for 2 hours at rest, about 60 minutes at moderate work, and 30 minutes at extreme hard work. So this is first development in India. This is a total indigenous development, and it will replace all costly, expensive equipment we are importing now, and it has already got approval from the DGMS. This is most suitable for Indian coal mines, and as well as it is suitable for submarines or any enclosed environment.